Tonight's the night that Santa comes. Around the world the reindeer run, bringing joy to all the kids, both leaving milk and chocolate chips. Tonight I'm leaving beer out for Santa, trading cookies for the koozie full of cheers. When he's locked down the chimney with the presents, there'll be a cold one waiting on him this year. Yeah, I know he's working up a sweat this Christmas, riding round and round and round from roof to roof. So tonight I'm leaving beer out for Santa. Yeah, I might stay up and have one with him too. Can't wait to see old Saint Nick just smiling when he sees that six-pack by the fireplace. Hey, we all know that Rudolph does the driving, so what's one more before he is on his way? Yeah, tonight I'm leaving beer out for Santa, trading cookies for a koozie full of cheers. When he's locked down the chimney with the presents, there'll be a cold one waiting on him this year. Yeah, you know he's working up a sweat this Christmas, riding round and round and round from roof to roof. So tonight I'm leaving beer out for Santa. Yeah, I might stay up and have one with him too. What's up, Santa Claus? Yeah, you know he's working up a sweat this Christmas, riding round and round and round from roof to roof. So tonight I'm leaving beer out for Santa. Yeah, I might stay up and have one with him too. Yeah, tonight I'm leaving beer out for Santa. Hell, I might stay up and have one with him too. Oh, ice cold. That's North Pole cold, baby.
Let's learn Beer for Santa. It's choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go around and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Beer for Santa. Section 1, your weight is going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a Lindy to the right. So you're going to step your right foot side, left together, right side. You're now going to rock your left foot behind your right and recover onto your right foot. We're now going to do 2 left kickball crosses. You're going to kick your left foot into the left diagonal, step your left next to your right, and cross your right over your left. You're going to kick your left foot forward into the diagonal, step your left next to your right, and cross your right over your left. You'll be slightly off center, but 12 o'clock is still your wall. So let's try it with some counts. Lindy to the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a Lindy quarter turn. You're going to step your left foot to the left side, bring your right foot in and next to your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. Rock back with your right and recover onto your left. We're going to step forward with our right foot. We're going to hold and clap our hands. You're now going to step forward with your left and do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. We would have just crossed our right over our left. You're going to do your Lindy quarter turn. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, you're going to rock forward onto your left foot, recover back onto your right. You're going to step your left foot slightly back and place your right heel forward. You're going to hold and clap. We're now going to do heel switches. So you're going to step your right next to your left and place your left heel forward. Step your left next to your right and place your right heel forward. You're now going to step your right foot slightly back and place your left heel forward, and you're going to hold and clap. And then you're going to step your left foot next to your right. Weight will be on your left foot to end that section. So let's try it with some counts. We're facing 9 o'clock weights on your right foot. You're going to do your rock. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do rock and weave to the right and the left. So we're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and we're going to weave right behind, left side, right cross. You're now going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and you're going to weave left behind, right side, left cross. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts, rocking to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you'll be ready to start the dance all over again with your Lindy to the right. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it all the way through, one time with steps, one time with counts. Weight is on your left. You're going to do your Lindy. Side together, side rock, back, recover, kick, ball, cross, kick, ball, cross. Side together, quarterback, rock, recover, step, clap, step, half pivot, rock, recover, step, heel, clap, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, clap, step, rock, recover, behind, side, cross, side, rock, recover, behind, side, cross. Let's do it with some counts. Lindy to the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. I do not have an ending listed on the step sheet. If you are somebody that likes to do endings, feel free to, whenever the dance is towards the end, to make that turn to the front, and you can end facing 12 o'clock, but there is no ending listed. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is going to be on your left foot. We're going to start with our Lindy to the right. Side together, side rock, back, recover. Kick, ball, cross, kick, ball, cross. Side together, quarter rock, back, recover, step, clap, step, half pivot, rock, recover, step, heel, clap, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, clap, step, rock, recover, behind side cross, rock, recover, behind side cross, Lindy. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Side together, side rock, back, recover, kick, ball, cross, Lindy quarter turn, rock, back, recover, step, clap, step, half pivot, rock, recover, step, heel, clap, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, clap, step, side rock, recover, weave, side rock, recover, weave, Lindy. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. Now that you have learned it with the tutorial, feel free to go check out the rear facing demo so that you can rock this on a holiday dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Beer for Santa. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.